Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel TradingToolx. Today let us look about Scalper Tool. It is an upgraded new version. Let me show you. So it's basically second by second chart. We can see the red color signal started and we have got around 15 points here. And when the green started here, we got around 15 points. And we have another green here, 220292. 22063, it's around 35 points. So this tool, since it is second by second chart, there is lots of noise, but before any up move like this, we can see in Nifty also there is some up move, but before the up move we get the green color signal, and before the down move we get the red color signal. Before the getting the signal, there is no way the market will go up or go down. As we can see, the market is falling now, but before it is falling we are getting red signal. But we are getting lots of noise here, like there are lots of red color here, and it's because the market is flat. So what is the best strategy is, you wait for the market to go up like this. So it went up like this. After that, when we get the red color, please short it. Now we had a fall and we are getting a green color signal, so you can buy here. You will get some noise like red color signal, but you just monitor the line color, white color line chart. It is flat. So until it is flat, you can be confident with your buying position. Until this previous low was broken, we are still bullish because we are getting lots of green here. You can hold on to your position, or you can wait for 2 or 3 red color and you can start buying. So you can see here we had some noise here also, but after the up move the market fell down, and here after the market went down, the market is rising. As we can see, we are getting very good up move and we are full of green color. So when we are full of green color, there is no way the market will go down. So you can hold on to your position confidently, and as you can see, before any up move we will get the signal before itself. Even though we get some noise, out of 10 times, even if you are catching 3 or 4 times this kind of move, we will get very good points. And that's basically 50 point up move. Now let us look at this IV chart. So we can see the call and the put IV is increasing in the Nifty. So if you are planning to do short strangles, you can do short strangles after the IV is increased like this. Only then we will be getting some good theta decay. Now we can see after the big up move, we got the first initial red color. So this is where we can do selling in the call option or buying in the put option. And usually after the big violent one side move, and when the market reverses, IV will crash. So what you guys must watch for sure is IV chart. The two live IV chart is very important. We can see Bank Nifty call and put IV. This is Bank Nifty put to open interest and call open interest. Call is falling. Here Nifty call open interest is falling and put to open interest is increasing. Basically it means a bullishness. Let me show you my live trade now. Here you can see I have only option buying. I sold my option selling because the IV was moving up very violently. So I closed all my selling position. You can see how the Bank Nifty call and put IV is increasing. So whenever the IV is increasing like this, it is very good for buying. You can see the Nifty call OI is falling. So it is bullishness. After the IV increase like this, we should be very fast in booking the profit, because immediately there will be theta decay, and we can see here the Bank Nifty IV is getting flattened. So you should be careful at this point. And our screen is full of noise, but overall we can see it is full of green color. So when the market is very noise like this, please avoid trading. We can see that put IV is starting to increase, and my profit is also increasing here. If that IV is falling, you can see on the right side the IV is falling. So that is why my profit is also reducing, because it is option buying. So in option buying, it is better to book the profit. To find best time to do scalping using our scalper tool, please use this average true range indicator. It is available in all the platform. So after adding average true range, if the value is very high, that means there is big candle movement. So that is a good place for our scalper to work. So even though it looks noisy, this fall is around 30 points. And now if you look at the bottom part, the IV is crashing, so my long strangles is also losing the profit, and there is increase in the IV now. So if you look at my profit, it is also increasing. Basically, if the IV increases, the buying options profit will increases. So we can see here there is a good down move 30 point, and there is up move of around 40 points. We are very bullish right now because the previous high was broken here. So if you see the bank nifty on the bottom, the previous high has been broken and it is in the top. So if we are getting some more big green color, we can expect even more up move. So do not short the market here. So as we can see, this is the previous high. Once this high is broken with the green color, we can expect some violent up move. As we can see, the market is going up. So yeah, that's it guys. You can see the screen is full of green color majority. That is why we are bullish. That is the long term signal. And please look at the IV chart to do your trading. Yeah, and we'll see you again in next tutorial video. Thank you.